Today's video I've got an unboxing video for you, and it is this. This is the March Discovered Beauty Box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I've got an unboxing video for you, and it is this. This is the March Discovered Beauty Box. One of my favourites, I must say. Let's get it out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So here is the box. It's got a nice weight to it, I must say. Oh, can't get it open. If you are interested in getting this box, you can't get this box because you have to order before the 10th of the month to get that month's box. And because I don't get any PR or anything from this company, I'm just a normal customer like yourself, I get this box after the 10th of the month, which means you can't get it. But if you like the look of it and you think that you want to subscribe to this box, it's £25 per month. I'll leave a link down below in the information box for you. If you click that link, you'll get your first box £3 cheaper, making it £22. Or you can just buy a one-off box, which is £30. I have never had a box that I've been disappointed with. I have loved every box by this company, and that is an incredible thing to state, but it's actually the truth. Go back and watch my videos and you'll see. In the box we have a little thank you card, just thanking them for our purchase. We have the edit card, tell them about all the products that are in the box. And then yeah, this is inside the box, all nice and neat. Not a very good sneak peek, but we always get lots of these in the box to protect the products. Just run them underwater and they disappear like magic. And I'm gonna move everything up so we can actually see what's in there. There is a quick sneak peek, but let's get digging to see exactly what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card. It just says on the back here, this box, the March box, has an RRP value of £156.99. Wow. Opening her up, this edit is called Spring-tastic Beauty. It's Springtime Beauty DBB Fam. As we casually stride into the season of spring, why not make the entrance fantastic? Inside the March edit, delve into some amazing products to spruce up your routine and put a spring in your step. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Skin, and it's a Rose and Neroli Day Facial Oil. It has an RRP of £29. It's cruelty free and vegan. It just says, add a little bit of luxury this season. The Skin Rose and Neroli Facial Oil is created with a potent blend of 17 highly active botanical oils. Your skin will be deeply nourished, velvety soft and glowing. Featuring rose hip for boosting collagen and rose otto and neroli to stimulate cell growth. That sounds absolutely amazing. I don't normally wear oil on my face. Oh, just destroyed the box. I don't normally wear oil on my face during the day. If I'm gonna do oils, it's normally on a night time, but I can always use this on a night time. I'll try it out and see what it feels like, see if it'll feel nice under my makeup. This is what it looks like out the box. We just take the lid off. Oh, I just want the tiniest amount just to have a play with, so you can see it there. Ooh, oh, look at that glow. It smells really nice too. Oh, that makes your skin feel beautiful. If I use a small amount of this, I might actually be able to get away with using it under my makeup. But look at that glow that it's left. Beautiful. Okay, interesting. So the second product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dominic Paul Cosmetics, and this is the Culture Palette. It's cruelty free and vegan with an RRP of £25. It says the only palette you need this spring to dazzle and sparkle day or night, featuring 6 matte and 3 shimmer shades to get the creative juices flowing. And of course it gives everything that an eyeshadow palette should give. It's smooth, creamy, blendable, buildable, and obviously fabulous colour payoff. Ooh, okay, what are the colours? That is really pretty. That is really, really pretty. Let me check that plastic thing off. So we have a mirror here, and them are the shades. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. So that is actually colours that I would use. There's two there that maybe are out of my comfort zone, but that's because I'm so boring. But we have like a red colour here, and we have a greeny colour here. That's a shimmer. But I'm gonna take a swatch of all three shimmers, and then yeah, let's do this red matte as well, so we'll get an idea what the mattes are like. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. That dark green shimmer shade, that is very, very dark. But yeah, they're gorgeous. Look how pigmented that red matte one is. Okay, I wasn't actually expecting it to be that good, but it really is. The third product we have is actually two products. It's by the brand Faces, and it's a skin set. So we have a daily clear skin cleanser with an RRP of £15, and we have a daily essential moisturiser with an RRP of £18. It just says get your face feeling cleansed and refreshed, but not stripped of moisture any time of day with the Faces daily cleanser. Formulated to help breakouts, clear block pores, remove dirt, impurities and makeup from your skin, made with amazing ingredients which sound absolutely amazing. Once your face is washed and ready to go, it's time to add the daily essential moisturiser, which is rich, creamy and easily absorbed into the skin and can be used day or night. Yes, hell yes. They sound amazing. So let's have a look at the cleanser first. Nice plain packaging there. Is that sealed? It is. I'm going to leave that sealed because I am a good girl. And then let's have a look at the moisturiser. Again, nice no fuss packaging. Should I? No, don't do it. I'm leaving that on. I really need to stop being good. I've got so many bits of skincare that's open and partly used, and yeah. But these look great. I can't wait to use them as a set. So the fourth product in the box, although it is technically the fifth because the third product was two, but you know, we'll stick to the fourth product, is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and it's the Apothecary limited edition. It is Wild Himalayan Fruit Body Scrub. Ooh, wow, this has an RRP of £69.99, so £70 basically. It's cruelty free and vegan. Slough off the dead skin cells and reveal soft spring skin. Just what's needed this time of year. Boosting natural Himalayan salts for deep exfoliation, sweet almond, apricot and sunflower oils to leave your skin delightfully supple. Ooh, I love a good body scrub. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Very nice packaging. Glass. That is sealed. I'm going to open it up because I love using stuff like this, and it's going to go straight in my bathroom. I can smell that and I haven't even put it in my nose. Oh yeah, yes. Yeah, so you can feel the exfoliating bits in it, and then like the oil that it's surrounded in. Feels lovely, smells absolutely freaking gorgeous. Yes, I'm definitely going to enjoy my very bougie £70 body exfoliator. So this is the Spring-tastic Edit, the March Discovered Beauty Box. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is absolutely bloody fantastic. It is amazing. We get a little bit of taste of makeup in here, and I think it's a palette that's going to, I don't know, keep everybody happy. Yes, it's a very neutral palette, which definitely keeps me happy. But then you've got like a red matte in there, and you've got a dark green shimmer. So it's got a little bit of colour in there if you do want a bit of colour. I love the skincare set with the cleanser and the moisturiser. Really love the sound of them. I can't wait to try them. The facial oil feels amazing. I might actually be able to get away with doing that during the day, because normally I just use oils on a night time, but I'm going to try it and see. and the exfoliating body scrub, 70 bloody quid. Oh my god. Yeah, like I say, I'm gonna feel so bougie using that. And the next bath or shower that I have is probably going to be a bath after work tomorrow, just to relax. That's getting used, definitely. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's an amazing box yet again by Discovered Beauty. Like, well done, Discovered Beauty. Again, if you are interested and you want to subscribe to this box, the link is down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click and you'll get £3 off your first box. And I'm sure as well, for new subscribers, you get a little beauty box or a little beauty bag with items in up to the value of £20, I believe. But yeah, go read that on the website. It's more information on there. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.